cold water over these. I'm gonna add some sea salt in. Now to add extra flavor, I'm gonna add a bit of olive oil in the pan. And I'm gonna add some onion, chopped onion, garlic, and some chopped carrot to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add chopped onion, garlic, carrot in. Peas and sweet corn. Sea salt, hot pepper, I'm gonna cook this down a bit, just sweat it off a bit, and then after you add it to your potato. Bit of coriander. So this is ready. So I'm gonna set it aside and let it cool until the potato is cooked. So the potato is cooled and drained. I'm gonna season again. Add a bit salt to it. So the garnish I cooked earlier, add it in. Give them a bit of stir. Combine everything together. I'm gonna add some mayo. You can add sour cream to this if you like. I'm just gonna add up some mayo to it. Now, life is about balance, you know. So a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Gonna add some chopped coriander and parsley in. At this point, I'm going to add a bit of cider vinegar in. Give it a bit of stir. So I'm going to get a pineapple. I'm just going to cut this to dress my plate. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is personal preference. You don't have to do this. Use the other piece. It's probably a bit more firmer. So this is what I'm going to put mine on. But as I said before, it's personal preference. Pineapple, just gonna lay it around. Add some more on it. And then I'm gonna finish it off with some chili flakes. You don't have to, but as I said, personal preference. And just a trickle of coriander. Ladies and gentlemen, here you go. If this video of any help to you guys, please remember to share, like, subscribe, and leave positive comment. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Peace be unto you.